Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting up the exact brush and paint so your first strokes work. Choose a narrow brush and thin the paint slightly. This prevents drips and gives a smooth bead. Once loaded, position the brush at about a 30-degree angle and rest your pinky or knuckle on the surface to steady the stroke. Make the first pass slowly, moving along the interface between surfaces. This creates a controlled line you can refine in the next steps. Once done with the initial pass, you refine the line by keeping motion fluid and deliberate. Use light, continuous strokes to pull the bead along, feathering outward with the tip to blend paint thickness and avoid a ridge. Make sure you don't overload the brush. Wipe and reload as needed. If you see a small blob, correct it immediately by pulling a dry brush along the line or subtly dragging a slightly damp brush to redistribute paint before it skins over. You finish by letting the edge set just long enough to inspect without fully curing. About 10 to 15 minutes is typical. After that short rest, scan for ridges or inconsistencies and lightly sand with fine grit if needed, then touch up using the same brush technique to preserve continuity. If a drip or blob appears, remove the excess immediately and reblend while the paint is still tacky. That quick catch prevents visible fixes and keeps your edge crisp and uniform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.